Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Have you ever wished that you could have everything you need for your camp kitchen all stored in one portable container? Well, this is it. This is the complete camp kitchen checkbox from Yoke. This camp kitchen is thoughtfully crafted and designed. It's made with molded handles so that they don't break off when they're moved around in storage. It's easy to carry. It's got a small footprint and it's stackable, but it's got ample storage inside for everything you need for your camp kitchen. They even designed the lid to be removed and turned into a kitchen sink to do your dishes after you cook while camping. Ingenious. I loved how much this camp kitchen could store. It stores all of our cooking utensils and all of our flatware for camping. Top surface is perfect for your camp stove, and you can even store it inside. You'll want to just check the measurements of your camp stove to make sure that you find one that fits perfectly in here. It's got a very secure latch, so I didn't feel like anything was going to fall out or get damaged while we were moving it around and traveling. So if you're looking for a functional camp kitchen that really makes packing, storing, and getting ready to go camping quicker and easier, which if you're a mom like me, you know what it takes to get everybody packed for camping. I love functional storage that makes that faster, easier, and more convenient. And I feel like this Yoke Camp Kitchen did just that. We're really happy with it, and I think you will be too. But that's my point of view.